good? Another moto vlog starring this meathead. What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And I'm up bright and early this morning because, like I said before, I'm conditioned to get up at 4:15 for work, so the weekend comes, sure enough, 5:15, I'm up today. And I'm doom scrolling through locations to go to. And I'm like, do I want to go far? Do I want to stay close? Do I want a bagel? Do I want something bad for me? When Transformers have sex, does it sound like an ongoing car accident? You know, life's important questions. And it completely slipped my mind that we have Tim Hortons in New Jersey now. One in Upper Saddle River, one in Paramus, and one in Mawa. So I'm going to the one in Upper Saddle River, rather. What the hell? You know, I was surprised by the Wawa tacos. That video hasn't come out yet. So I'm like, you know what? Let's try another place. And it's not a full-blown Tim Hortons. I believe it's in a gas station, but we get a drink, and I get something to eat. This is Paramus Road in Paramus. It's a really nice ride. Yeah, do something different. I was pleasantly surprised, and I'm sure this video is going to drop after Cousin Louie's hot dog truck in upstate New York. Man, what a friggin' surprise that was. You'll see when the video comes out, but yeah, that place was cool as hell. Kind of, you know, last year and up until a couple of weeks ago, the guys really picked the spots, and I need things to be random for me sometimes, or else it's just mundane or forced. And you know, that's how I ended up at Tim Hortons. I'm like, oh shit, Tim Hortons, let's go. Also made my first annual run to the 9W market for spiced pear sangria. If you've never had their sangria, there's a video coming out. You'll see it. If you like my videos, if you could give it the thumbs up or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it. Yeah, I think we're in Ridgewood now. I'm telling you, once you get past the heavily congested areas, which is kind of a joke with New Jersey being up around here, how densely overpopulated it is, there's a lot of nice riding, minus the stoplights that are never timed correctly. Could have just did a straight shot up Route 17, but I'm like, who the hell wants to look at Route 17? Not me. Not me. I've been watching a lot of videos on dogs, Boston Terriers, and Staffy, because I'm missing my buddy Bella. And I'm not sure if I'm there yet. It's been over a year. I'm not sure if I'm ready to go through the process of having your best friend and then having your heart broken. I think we just dipped into the 70s, friends. Yeah, we got some pretty wild rain last night. Just freaking big ass tree down around the block, and so I'm kind of taking it easy because there's crap all over the road. East Saddle River Road's another nice ride. It's like find treasure easier on this road than the dudes at the Curse of Oak Island. You ever watch that show? They're like, on this week's episode, the guys discovered that there's water in the ocean, and everybody's freaking out, and then they find a pebble, and this pebble dates back to prehistoric Roman Catholic times and was used by Darth Vader to enslave the rebel scum. Like, okay, guys. The only thing worse than one of their videos is mine. Holy hell, you look at the fence on this place, man. It is so quiet up here. I didn't think this was possible in Bergen County, but I guess I was wrong. They got a freaking gates to get into their house. Wow. This got to be like $20,000 a year in property tax or more. Oh, the house has a little house. I wish I had that kind of problem with money. My house has a little house on it. Man, I did not expect this to be this nice, I gotta tell you. You were wondering why I'm being so tame with the throttle. I don't even think it's 9 a.m. yet. I'm not trying to be that guy ripping through town, waking people up. I believe we are getting on the old 17 for a quick minute here, and then we'll be there. And then we'll be eating food and drinking silly little drinks and getting silly little gases. Give it that get up and go, shall we? And we're here. It's in the Shell, across from the Audi dealer on 17. Ebola Market. Should be giving me none of that Ebola. First, let me just set the record straight, right? McDonald's sausage biscuit is always going to be the one that, for me, like, if I'm judging any other one against that's going to be the mark. That's going to be like top dog. And Tim Hortons did not disappoint. That was really good. And that nitro cold brew, fantastic, man. I didn't get milk in it or anything. I'm kind of like, for fast food, it was good. Like, I was kind of like, oh, you know, it's gonna be nothing special. I was wrong. It was really good. Good job, Tim Hortons. I was debating buying some K-Cups to bring home, man, because if the cold brew is what the normal coffee tastes like, it was friggin' good. What a surprise. I think I gotta do this more often. Between Cousin Louie's and Tim Hortons, and I'm just doom scrolling Google Maps in certain areas and finding these places, and he said, it's kind of like, Tim Hortons, you know what, just go. Just get on the bike and go. Go ride the motorcycle, go have a good time. And I did. Prices were fair too, man. Friggin' woman behind the counter, very nice. And like Like I said, that's the one in Upper Saddle River. So that's the first one you're gonna hit after Paramus on 17 North. It's the gas station right after the Shell at the bottom of the hill. That being said, if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday. It's going to be a little tough during the FIFA World Cup, so that would be the month of June, but I think I'm going to be okay. But I hope you'll come back next week and give up some of your free time to watch some of my videos, and I thank you for doing that.